Hey, there's just one thing I need you to promise before you go in.
Okay.
Mom's very old. We don't want to upset her, so please don't say the H word.
Oh, I would never say that. No worries.
Okay, great.
Hi, dear. Who are you?
Hi, I'm Hadley from hospice.
Dare you get out? I'm calling your manager right now.
Bye-bye.
That was so strange.
Hey, I just got off the phone with a very angry daughter. Can you tell me what happened?
I have no idea. She told me not to say the H word. I introduced myself. You know I don't cuss.
Oh, no one warned you. Can you tell me what the H word is?
Do you want me to say it?
Yes.
Hell?
The H word is hospice.
Oh. Oh no. Didn't they fire me?
Yep,